2, 3, and...
Come and watch, I'ma show you how it's done. Post a vid, make you get a little buzz. BigHeadPat, got reviews like Yelp. Got all eyes on, cause I do it so well. I'ma pull up with the whip like Tokyo Drift. With some fresh new heat, I'ma load up the clip. It can get a little scary, but like don't even trip. This is every damn day, like I don't even skip. Come and watch, yeah, come and watch. Hey, come and watch. Do it, like.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy BigHeadPat. Welcome to BigHeadPat Reviews. Listen, y'all, if you're new to the channel, I am BigHeadPat, all right? This is BigHeadPat Reviews, where we do car reviews, music reviews, paranormal reviews, Harley Davidson build, and this truck build that we're doing today. So, really where I'm at, y'all, I'm thinking about taking the reviews off my name, just going by BigHeadPat, because I do reviews, but I'm trying to get away from that because of really support issues on that. You know what I mean? People don't want to pay for the reviews and stuff like that. And you know, I like the building trucks and building my motorcycle. So that's what I think I'm going to do. Today, if you see, when I got the truck, the guy that had it before me had a Raptor. I think he was doing like a Raptor conversion kit. He got the grill, the bumper, the grill, the headlights, and the grill do not light up. It's supposed to light up. So I'm going out to my guys 4-wheel buy in Chesaning, Michigan. Once again, I might get a sticker on the window too, because I think my rims and tires is coming real soon. And you know, I'm letting you guys know also that this might be my last trucking video for a while. My job just went 6 or 7 days straight, so I'm gonna do everything else though, from music reviews, paranormal, and everything like that. It's just that working the schedule I am, trying to drop this truck off and everything. But we do have things in store. We have all this great plastic getting painted in the truck, new interior, sound system, definitely a new alarm system, tires and rims, rocker lights, all the good things. So we still got things coming. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, share, and sub, man. I'm telling you, things are definitely going up. I just crossed over 500,000 views. My elephant video, the guy cussing in school at the talent show, is about to hit 100,000 views. My first 100,000 view video is about to happen. So, like I said, you know, I'm glad you guys are with me on this journey. And I'm about to pick up my son now. He's going with me out to the Chesaning, Michigan, 4-wheel buy. They will be doing all the work to my truck. I am in Flint. I could go here, but people have been reaching out here, been BSing, so I'm definitely going to 4-wheel buy for everything. It's like 40 minutes out, so I'll see you guys on the road. All right. So I picked up my son, little ugly dude right there. So we here, y'all. We made it to my people 4-wheel buy. Guys, please, y'all, if y'all can, go on Google search, give them 5-star ratings. They've always been there for me, like to help me push in the right directions. And I came all the way up here first time to get my leveling kit. They was the cheapest ones, but they have great quality. You know what I mean? They have good quality, and they're reasonable with the price. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to these guys, Ian, Jake, Cody. Shout out to these guys. Today we getting the fog lights installed right here, and my grill. I'm gonna show you the grill in a minute. The grill do not light up. All right, so we about to get out. You go ahead and get out, ugly dude, and
my money.
and we'll see you guys in a minute. All right, this is the grill. These lights, I guess the guy that had it before me didn't get it hooked up, because these lights here do not light up at all. So my guy's about to take care of me now, and these are about to go. Hopefully soon these bumpers are about to go. Let me know, guys, if I should keep it chrome. The handles, those running boards definitely leaving. And this bumper here. So we're about to go inside and talk to him. So guys, back in here. They have a nice wheel set up. Nice decor, yeah. It's nice. What size is this? 37. Nice rims. Let me tell you, this is TIS is not in here. But Cody's over there, guys. Cody's eating, so I can put him on camera. But I like these fuels right here also. These are nice. But guys, I think I'm gonna go with something called Revenge rims. Revenge off-roading. Go check them out. But I love these. So guys, we go probably do a side-by-side, see how the rims fit on the truck, the ones I want to go for, see how it looks, you know, beside it. And then I guess a before and after of the lights, we'll go from there. So guys, you know, good sitting area here. Let me show you guys. Good sitting area. My boy Ian is working on my truck, man. And I hope that's the guy that always do my work, man. So shout out to Ian. The dope guy, you know what I mean? Good customer service, good work. So shout out to Ian. Y'all put up 2 thumbs up for Ian in the bottom. Say what's up to him. Cody, good customer service, you know what I mean? He texts me every time I had a question. He ain't have a problem asking me. I appreciate him, you know what I mean? And like I said, man, please y'all go to Google, give these guys a thumbs up on everything. Today's the weekend. My last free weekend, y'all. Really not, because I gotta go to work Sunday. But I'm gonna get some night footage of the truck so you can see the lights. Man, I can't wait. I really can't wait, y'all. So when it's done, I'll let you guys know. Yeah. All right, guys. So once again, man, my guy, man, Ian is the best technician, man. Like, he do his thing, best mechanic, whatever you want to call it. I call him a technician because he's a master of all things, man. All right. You see the LED? The LED's there. All right, they're not flickering, y'all. They're just how they look at the camera. And you got my lights on. Oh my God. I can't wait, man. I love this company, bro. This company, this is the truth, man. They said it's the number, 4-wheel buy. 810-625-9965. You see they do lifts. You see they do lights. They do everything, bro. They do every single thing. Oh, I'm sorry, but oh man, I just love that, bro. Like, I've been waiting for this to get done. And shout out to Cody, Jake, and shout out to Ian, man. I appreciate their work. Fast work. I've been here probably an hour, 2 hours, but we had an issue because I went through a car wash, water got in my light, and my light went out. They fixed it, you know what I'm saying? So I really do appreciate them guys. So I'll see you guys on the road. So guys, you know what I'm saying? I am excited about this. The lights came out perfect. Look at that. So tonight, because I love y'all so much, I'm gonna come out here probably like 8, 9 o'clock, probably 7, because we get dark at that time. I'm going to come out and do a video of it, or just show you guys at night how it look. I'm excited. I'm so excited, man. This truck is coming together. I just can't wait to start seeing the interior come together. And man, the interior, the sound system and everything just work out. I cannot wait. So I'll see you guys tonight, all right? All right, people. So it's a little dark. I couldn't wait. See what the truck look like. So let's see. Did I start it up? Yes, I did, but the light's not on. So let me cut the fog lights on. We can go from there. Give me a couple seconds. All right, so let's see. Oh, these jokers are bright. So it's extremely bright. I got these working. That's why I got working today. And then see when I get close to, you can't get close to it, or a good angle. But those are the fog lights. So all my lights work in the front. They're extremely bright. So let me cut some of them down right quick. I know the people in front of me living there like, what the hell going on? All right. So let's see. So I said those are in. I've been waiting those to get in for a while. they still just bright. But I wanted them to try and like kind of match. I wanted them to kind of match my headlights, because those are not like the matching ones, but they look good. They go together real good. So I just got an important email. Let me get in the truck so we can talk. All right, guys. So I just got a email about the interior. So that might be my next thing getting done. What can I really say? I'm really going for a black and red theme. I might show y'all a glimpse of some seats I looked at. It's a leather or cat skin, but the company that called me, that inboxed me or emailed me, want to do it in just upholstery. They do it themselves. So I will let you guys get an update on that. But the truck is coming together, y'all. So I had the fog lights for like 3-4 weeks now. I was gonna put them in myself, but I was like, you know what? Let me take it somewhere I can get a warranty. All right. I know it's all cool and dandy to do stuff for yourself, but if you go somewhere and get a warranty on their work, if something go wrong, it's on them. But I know that 4-Wheel Buy will do me right. They always have. You know what I mean? Ian always look out, and I can see the passion he get from doing people's cars. You know what I'm saying? So I really thank him for that. And that's really it, guys. So this video, we got the fog lights and my Ford Raptor grill lights on. All right. So I appreciate you guys. If you haven't yet, y'all, please like, share, sub. We on our way up. All right. We almost at 2,000 subs, and you know what I mean, the videos are doing very well. You know what I mean? Please, y'all, leave a comment, talk to me. Follow me on Instagram. That's why I really be on this Instagram. And that's it, y'all. You know what I mean? It's your boy, BigHeadPat. I'm out.
Yeah, come and watch. Hey, come and watch.